Hello, everybody. My name is Amori Harris, and I will be your teacher today. So, today we are going to be talking about present continuous. So, please, let's start this right away. So, here, guys, we have verbs in their regular form. So, we have watch, work, create, write, die, tie. So, let's see some tips. So, let's see. So, here we have watching, working, creating, writing, dying, tying. So let's see. If you can notice on the first one here where it says watch, watching, work, working. To this type of verb, you only add ing at the end, and that's it. Automatically, you do that, you're talking about an action that continues in the present. Okay? Now let's see. We have here create, creating, write, writing. So look, pay attention here. If you notice, create finishes with the letter E. Write finishes with the letter E. So when that happens with the verb, what you do is you eliminate, right? You eliminate the letter E and you add ing. And that's it. Okay? Now, for the verbs that finish with IE, two vowels, IE, IE. So you change the IE for a Y. You see it here? A Y. Here we have a IE, but here we have a Y. And when you change the IE for the Y, you add ing, dying. The same for tie, tying. So let's see a very important one and very common one that you guys use frequently. And those are this ones. Run, sit, cut. So you would see this type of verb and you will say, but why do I have to add another consonant to the verb? How do I recognize that when I see a verb? Very easy steps. So if you read there, it says verbs ending in a single vowel and a single consonant. So the verb needs to end in a single vowel and in a single consonant. So for this, we have three exceptions. That is W, Y, and X. Okay? So if the word ends with a vowel and one of these consonants, W, X, Y, it doesn't apply for that verb. So look here, for example, it says run, running. It finished with a vowel, the vowel U and N. UN, running. And also, besides that, you need to understand that it has also one syllable, run, sit, cut, only one syllable, right? It has one syllable, and besides that, it has a vowel and a consonant. So you would say teacher, but jump is one syllable. It's true, jump is one syllable. And I will give you the example right now. Look, we go here and you write jump, right? You say, oh, but it's jumping with double P. And no, man, that's incorrect. Why is incorrect? Because if you notice here, we have two consonants and you need one vowel and one consonant at the end of the verb. So that applies for run. So we have here the vowel U and N as the consonant and one syllable, right? So you write running and you add another N, that will be another consonant, and there you conjugate correctly the verb run into present continuous. So remember, one syllable, one vowel, and one consonant at the end of the verb for you to conjugate it, adding another consonant. So here, look, the present continuous. How do we create a sentence? Well, for you to create a sentence in the present continuous, you have to remember that it's mandatory for you to use the verb be. For a present continuous statement, you need to use the verb be. So I will give you an example here. Let's do it with work. Work, it's not in present continuous, is the regular form, right? I work is a good statement, but it's not in present continuous. So how do I turn that into a present continuous? Oh, automatically I add the verb be. Look at here. I am working. So automatically you do that. You add the verb be plus you add ing to the verb. You are talking in present continuous, my friend. So here we have the formula. Subject plus verb be plus verb ing. I will give you some example. She is playing, he is singing, they are talking. So here we have she is playing. Where is the verb be? Is. And the conjugation with the present continuous, playing, right? He is singing, they are talking. Pretty good. So another thing that is very important. Once you learn how to create a sentence in the present continuous, you need to remember that to create a sentence or a affirmative statement is subject plus the verb be plus the verb in ing, right? Now the question, you change it. For the question, you change it. In the question, you use the verb be first, is, plus the subject, plus the verb with the ing. Here, for example, she is running. She is running is the statement, right? She is running is the statement. Now, how do I turn that statement into a question? Easy. Is she running? The difference, the verb be is the first thing that I write as a question. Is. Automatically you put the verb in front of the subject, you turn the statement into a question. So remember that, okay? So guys, I hope you learned some of this. If you need to practice or if you need to listen again, there's no problem. Just repeat the video and that's it. So here is your teacher, Amari Harris. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.